3 हो गए, शाबाश, एक रह गया।
ये आखिरी है ना बस?
आखिरी है।
चल चला तेज तेज।
खैर खैर, चलो खड़े हो जाओ, अपनी बूथी दिखाएं।
Hello, my name is Talha Amir and I am from Pakistan. I live in the city of Lahore. Lahore, the city of gardens and a very historic city. I am applying at Kalyani University of Applied Sciences in Bachelor's of Sports and Leisure Management. My younger brother and my cousin sister both are applying in this degree program. I live with my parents and my 2 siblings. I am the elder one of them. From a very early age, from my childhood, I am being profound and indulged myself in sports and gaming activities. I was a key member of my college cricket and football team. I was also a key member of my school's junior and senior team of cricket, football and basketball. I also was the captain of my college's cricket team. Under my leadership, we won several trophies at college level. Applying at Finland is one of the best opportunity for me because its education system is number one all around the globe. And after getting admission at Kalyani University, I will be able to taste how the best education system. Getting admission at Kalyani University will be a different and a good experience for me. I have been doing gym from straight 3 years. During COVID-19 pandemic, I did indoor training to keep my body boosted up and pumped up because a lockdown was imposed in my city. As discussed earlier, being a supporting person, I've been a good athlete and a good performer. Coming to the Kalyani University, it's in a small town that is very beautiful. This university has provided a very good opportunities to the students who have been their alumni. I have gone through the university's web portal and YouTube channel, and I came to know that this university has provided a good number of athletes and performers which have performed at national and international level. Getting admission at Kalyani University will really boost up my health and physical exercise. Getting admission at Kalyani University will really develop my mental ability. Getting admission at Kalyani University will really boost up my personality regarding sport purposes. After the completion of degree, I really do believe that I can come up with a startup of my own gym business. As Kalyani University is in a small town, so I really do believe that this small town or a small city can really come up with a huge number of opportunities for the new incoming student. Whoever or who else gets admission in this university will really be a talented and a good student and as well as a good athlete. I really do believe that getting admission at Kalyani University will really develop my health and physical exercise. At the end, I just want to conclude that after getting admission at Kalyani University, I will be able to prove myself in the field of sports and gaming activities. Thank you very much.